Valerie, there have been no letters from you for 2 weeks now. Have they been lost by the postal service, or you are perhaps dead? Well, that would at least be a good excuse.
No, Sasha, I'm not dead. Much to your father's chagrin, I imagine. We have been constantly on the move, and to find even a few minutes of peace has been, well nigh impossible.
Father has been asking about you. I think he is genuinely concerned, though I know you don't believe me. I sometimes doubt you believe anything I say.
Your father would like Vladimir's nephew Nikolai. The man's idealism and zeal rivals that of the most fervent religious believer. Poor boy. One day he will realize the shame of it all.
How is old Vladimir? You know I hold him in high regard. But please, ask him to speed things up and win this damn war. I am sick and tired of constant shortages.
Of course. If I just ask Volodya, he will win the war for us in an instant. Not a problem, my dear.
And listen to Vladimir. He has at least a semblance of morals compared to you, my dear. And don't die on me. Who would I then quarrel with? Your Alexandra.
Yesterday, the Southern Factory Collectives reported production levels far exceeding the quota set for the period. The General Secretary conveyed his heartfelt pride to be the leader of such an industrious people. Yesterday also brought news of a minor skirmish involving NATO infiltrators. They were swiftly hunted down by our...
We were still in Norway when we heard the news. Several NATO battalions had been airdropped inside our country. And I think many of us were shaken to the core that day. Our image of the invulnerable motherland cracked in a way that could not be easily mended. Captain Malishchenko loudly proclaimed that he would smear the ground red with the blood of the NATO bastards who had dared to enter our homeland. The colonel tried to calm us, saying that there would be bloodshed soon enough. But we didn't settle down until we had boarded the planes back home, our fiery rage doused with cold determination, and vengeance foremost on our mind.
If they were here half an hour ago, we don't have long before they arrive. Understand? Romanov must move immediately
Товарищ полковник,
What?
a message.
Now? Very well.
What is it, uncle?
Kolya, it's your wife.
Masha?
She...
Что?
They're dead, Kolya. She and your daughter. Killed yesterday when the Americans raided Serbryansk. I'm so sorry.
Sorry. You're at war. They died for the state. They died for socialism. I'm proud.
You have my deepest
I
sympathy.
don't want sympathy. I want leaders with the courage to prevent NATO from walking into our soil.
Kolya, we're dealing with a strong adversary.
Then we must be stronger.
Comrade Colonel, our forward scouts report inbound NATO helicopters.
Where the hell is Romanov at the Shilkas? Kolya, can I count on you?
Let them come, uncle. Let them come.
Good. Finally here. What kept you, Romanov?
Malashchenko here. What is happening up north?
Last word was that NATO intruders were moving against our naval base near Polyarny. The attack on this camp seems to be in support of that move.
Ублюдки! We will root them out wherever they attack. Malashchenko out.
Lieutenant Romanov, I want you to command the artillery section. We have spotted several enemy scout teams hiding in the forest. Our helicopters are looking for them now.
Artilleria
The helicopters will mark the enemy positions. Fire on all enemy units they find. Sokol 1 out.
Drive to that position. We can deploy and lay down a heavy barrage.
Говорит тройка. Enemy scout spotted.
Artillery ready, товарищ командир. Heavy fire support here. Got any coordinates? Artillery strike on the way.
Yeah, тройка. We have movement in the tree line.
That was a good hit, Lieutenant, but there are more enemy scouts out there.
Yes, товарищ командир. Launching a barrage.
Тройка here. NATO scouts have been located.
Говорит Волошенко! I have incoming mortars! There must be NATO spotters with those scouts! More incoming shells! Kill those scouts!
Well done. We've destroyed their eyes and ears. When the assault begins, they will target your artillery, Romanov. Make sure you keep it well protected. Sokol 1, out.
Moving to a new firing
The
position.
NATO attack is imminent. Captain Malashchenko will hold the outer perimeter, but you must support him with artillery fire, Romanov. We cannot lose here today.
We
We will fire signal flares to signal an impending attack, Lieutenant. Several flares indicate a heavy attack. Voloshenko out.
Getting the peon into position.
We will move to the position.
Moving.
This is Voloshenko. NATO units are attacking from the north. I need fire support at once.
You know what to do, Romanov. Give Captain Malashchenko all the support he needs.
Heavy fire support here. Artillery is
Romanov, between your artillery guns and my tanks, we will kill those NATO infiltrators to the last man.
launching a barrage.
Good. If we pin them down here, we might aid our comrades at Boyar. It's not too late already.
Voloshenko here. I will hold you personally accountable for any friendly fire, Romanov. Make sure you fire on the enemy, not us.
The lieutenant knows what he's doing, Captain.
I hope so. Voloshenko out.
Coordinate hit. Lock down the position.
Night mission accomplished. The enemy got hit. Out. Wojcik here reporting hostile casualties.
Artillery strike on the way. Coordinates confirmed. Стреляй.
They're attacking again. Keep those shells coming, Lieutenant.
Атакуй.
NATO will also use counter-artillery to destroy you. Stay on the move to avoid those barrages.
We are set rolling.
We're moving.
Tоварищ командир, heading. Move.
Heavy fire. Affirmative. Drive.
Driver.
Incoming fire, Romanov. Change your position.
This is Wojcik. Targeting enemy tanks. Affirmative. Anti-tank strike is inbound.
I've ordered the prisoners to be taken to the bomb shelters. We will keep them there until the battle is over.
Voloshenko here. Why don't we just execute the prisoners and be done with it?
Because we are better than the enemy. And we will prove it by keeping the prisoners alive.
We destroyed that tank. Товарищ командир, enemy destroyed.
Knowledge. Hunting for tanks. Wojcik out.
Heavy fire support here. Got any coordinates? We're ready to strike.
This is Wojcik. Enemy kills confirmed. Returning to Романов.
Артиллерия ждет приказа. Готовы
They
к
will
обстрелу.
attack again. You must hold for as long as possible.
We will move.
Don't worry, Sokol 1. The more they send, the more we will kill.
Baron here. Napalm mission completed.
NATO units attacking from the south. I need fire support, Romanov.
Baron is heading back.
Heavy fire.
Yeah, Sokol 1. I just got a report saying that our comrades won a crushing victory near Polyani this morning. The NATO intruders were destroyed to the last man and the naval base was saved.
Artillery strike.
Then we will finish the job here and teach NATO once and for all not to violate our motherland.
I wouldn't trust those reports to be completely accurate, Captain.
It doesn't matter. Every NATO soldier here will die today. Maloshenko out.
Нет, товарищ командир. Лодчика барраж. Our barrage is the target.
Be aware. Napalm is on the way. Baron out.
Affirmative. Tracking hostile fire. Sokol is in
You have incoming rounds, Romanov. Reposition your people at once.
on our way. Artillery is moving out. Move to the coordinates.
The strike area is clear from hostile helicopters.
Strike zone.
They're bound. Napalm delivered all the coordinates. Baron out.
We can drive. We're ready to strike. Yes, товарищ командир. Launching a barrage.
Охотник here reporting hostile casualties.
Keeping the enemy in the strike zone. Yes, товарищ командир. Launching a barrage. Our barrage. Commencing the barrage.
They're attacking again. Keep those shells coming, Lieutenant. Maloshenko to Sokol 1. Do we have any estimate of enemy strength?
The GRU estimated their battalions were.
Котлы проклятые! Those damn dilettants should be shot for providing such faulty intelligence. I'm fighting an entire regiment of troops here!
Mind what you were saying, Captain. It is an open channel.
I don't care, Blin! How can we fight a war when we can't even trust our own people?
Enough. See to the battle at hand. Sokol 1, out.
Enemy got hit. Out.
We can deploy and lay down a heavy barrage.
Heading back. Охотник out.
They are sending helicopters to take out your artillery, Romano. Use your shield cast to fight them off.
Got a lock on the enemy.
Sokol here. No enemy soldiers in the area. Heading home. Over.
Атакуй. Where do you want some anti-air? Medium AA is attacking the enemy. Tracking the target.
Товарищ командир, artillery surveillance. Target the coordinates! Now!
This is Охотник. Targeting enemy tank. Охотник here. I'm going to hunt for hostile tanks.
Sokol 1 here. NATO has breached the outer perimeter. Push them back, Maloshenko. Romanov will aid you with artillery fire. Yeah, Sokol 1. The perimeter has been breached. Don't let them get a foothold.
Artillery strike on the way. Artillery strike successful.
Sokol here. I will clear the sky.
Out. Artillery strike on the way. Commencing the barrage.
No hostile flyers sighted. I still got my missiles. Please advise.
They're pulling back. Thank you, Lieutenant.
Artillery is rolling.
They haven't given up yet. Expect renewed attacks any minute now.
We have NATO troops approaching from the north, and my men to the south have spotted more enemy troops on the move.
They will attack from both directions at once. Hold for as long as possible and then move to alternate defense positions when I give the word.
Commencing the barrage. Товарищ командир, enemy destroyed. Artillery strike on the way. Commencing the barrage.
You have incoming artillery again, Romanov. Move your units out of the impact area.
Drive.
Work those guns, Romanov. We have enemies all over the perimeter. They're coming at us from both the north and the south.
Affirmative. Anti-tank strike is inbound. Out.
Артиллерия ждет приказа. Готовы к огню.
Attack completed. I hit the hostile. Watching out. Watching here. Attack run completed. Out.
Artillery strike on the way. Coordinates confirmed. Стреляй. Yes, товарищ командир. Launching a barrage. A barrage hit the target. Yes, товарищ командир. Launching a barrage. Target received. Атакуйте the enemy in the strike zone. Yes, товарищ командир. Launching a barrage. A barrage hit the target. Artillery strike on the way. Commencing the barrage.
More NATO helicopters have been spotted. Position your shilkers so that your artillery is protected.
Coordinates confirmed. Стреляй.
Medium AA can defend the airstrike zone.
We killed that hostile. We should move the heavy artillery. Yes, товарищ командир. Launching a barrage. Coordinates confirmed. Стреляй. Commencing the barrage.
They are sending a second helicopter squadron against you, Romanov.
We hit the enemy in the strike zone. Artillery strike on the way. Enemy destroyed. Hostile target. Commencing the barrage. Target received. Атакуй. Commencing the barrage.
Incoming NATO bombers. Pull back, Malyshenko. Pull back!
A barrage hit the target.
Говорит Malyshenko, we are moving to the alternate defensive positions now.
Sokol 1 here. Move your units to the quarry entrances. We'll defend from there.
Understood. I am repositioning my units. Malyshenko out.
Artillery is full. Move, rolling. Heavy fire support here. Got any coordinates?
Shilka available. Go.
I will engage the hostile helicopter now and lay down a heavy barrage.
There is one less helicopter in the sky.
Yes, товарищ командир. Launching a barrage. Sokol here. No enemies found in the area. Heading home to the target.
Need some medium anti-air support?
Товарищ командир, artillery is available. Commencing the barrage.
Target eliminate. Товарищ командир.
Coordinates confirmed. Стреляй. Target received. Атакуй. Artillery strike success. Товарищ командир, enemy destroyed. Artillery strike on the way.
I'm engaging NATO units all along the perimeter. Request fire support.
Target received. Атакуй. Coordinates confirmed. Стреляй. Yes, товарищ командир. Launching a barrage. Yes, товарищ командир. Launching a barrage. Hit the target. Coordinates confirmed. Стреляй. One hostile eliminated. Commencing the barrage. Artillery strike on the way.
Our tracks are
Get the vital coordinates. We keep the enemy in the strike zone.
I need more fire support! NATO is making a renewed assault!
Yes, товарищ командир. Launching a barrage. Yes, товарищ командир. Launching a
So,
barrage.
Call 1 here. I have some good news. Our frontal aviation comrades have finally deigned to send us some helicopter support. Romanov, I want you to command these helicopters while I direct the artillery fire. Move your units to the rendezvous point.
Товарищ, move. Rolling.
You did a commendable job leading that artillery battery, Lieutenant. Now, show me the same sound tactical sense when commanding the helicopters. Kept all your cannons intact, Lieutenant. Excellent.
Destination flying to the destination. Launching artillery missile. Departing. On the lock. Flying right. We see the target. Over executing mission. Affirmative.
They must breathe like flies, these NATO soldiers! How many of them are there?
They are attacking all along the perimeter. Use any means necessary to keep them at bay, Romanov.
Also here. Artillery strike is on the way. Affirmative. Coordinates received. We annihilated the enemy in the dark area. Also down.
I have incoming artillery fire on all my positions.
Fall back to the barracks area. I will send Romanov after the artillery. The prisoners are being evacuated to the woods nearby until we can get some transports to pick them up.
Tоварищ Maloshenko, we are moving toward the barracks.
Good, Captain. There we must make our last stand. I'm also giving you fire support priority to help defend the camp. They are coming. Use all available fire support assets to destroy them, Lieutenant. Romanov, seek out and destroy the NATO artillery before they cause too much damage.
Also here. Artillery strike is on the way. Also here. The precision strike was right on top of the enemy.
Heavy gunshot. Destination confirmed. Heading out. Moving flying. Locking top party.
More NATO troops are arriving.
Depart. Initiating a heavy attack. Commencing flight. Destination moving. You missed it. We're moving out, товарищ. We're moving out, товарищ командир. Thank you. Moving flying. Departing. Heavy gun.
NATO assault incoming. Well done, Lieutenant. Continue to search and destroy, but watch out for enemy anti-air defenses.
Locking target. Стреляю. Plenty of weapons close to enemy squad. Lock and engage. Executing mission.
Excellent. Another artillery unit put out of action.
We got the route. Flying there now. Initiating a heavy attack run.
They're coming at us again!
Moving to location. Heavy gunship here. Follow the flight path. Flying. Departing. Launching. We got the route, flying there now. Destination received. Moving out. We hit the enemy. Kill confirmed.
You failed to destroy that artillery, and now they are wreaking havoc to our rear. Next time, I expect you to do better. So Corps 1, out. They can't have much strength left, Romanov. Crush this assault and we'll force them to retreat.
Keep it armor rolling.
Give us target and fire. Commencing flyby attack.
Unit gone.
Countermeasures deployed. MY-24 going in its target. And fire. Hostile target. Enemy engaged. Heat seeking away. We see the target. All weapons are off. Commencing flyby attack. Heavy attack helicopter is inbound. Commencing flyby attack.
Coordinates received. Hold up out.
Heading for the destination. Your orders? Send the air.
We fired for effect. Enemy casualties are hot.
Heading for the destination. Hostile sighted. Стреляю. You received the orders.
Finally, NATO is retreating. Do not pursue.
But Uncle, we must...
We have been declared combat ineffective, Captain. 5th Battalion will pursue. I want the casualty count as soon as possible. The camp is safe. For now.